How to make passive income with AI in 2053 beginner-friendly ways that work. What if AI could help you create passive income streams even if you have no tech skills, no budget, and no audience? In this video, I'll break down 3 realistic, beginner-friendly ways to earn passive income using AI tools in 2025. Stick with me because the last one has the potential to scale into a full-time business. Welcome to Money Making AI Hub. Here, we focus on how everyday people can leverage artificial intelligence to earn online. Let's start with digital products, one of the most scalable and hands-off methods out there. With AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva, you can create useful content like digital planners, business templates, journals, social media calendars, Notion dashboards. Here's the process. Use ChatGPT to generate the content or outline for your product. Use Canva or Notion to format it into a PDF or digital file. Upload it to platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, or your own website. Once your product is listed, it can sell while you sleep. No shipping, no inventory, no customer support. Want to increase sales? Use AI tools like Jasper or CopyAI to write your product descriptions and email marketing. Some sellers make between $500 to $5,000 a month from one good digital product that solves a specific problem. You can even bundle multiple products together for added value. Freelancing with AI. Freelancing is perfect if you want to start earning immediately. Use AI tools to deliver fast, high-quality services like blog writing, email marketing, product descriptions, presentation design, LinkedIn profile optimization. Here's how it works. Set up a Fiverr or Upwork profile. Choose 2-3 services you can deliver with AI assistance. Use ChatGPT, Jasper, Grammarly, and Canva to create and polish your work. Deliver your gig quickly and professionally. You can start by offering a lower price to get your first few clients and build momentum. Once you get reviews, increase your rates and scale your services. Freelancing gives you valuable experience and income, and it's a great stepping stone to more passive methods later. Which of these methods do you want to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more step-by-step guides on making money with AI, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. This is Money Making AI Hub, and I'll see you in the next video.